Hello YouTubers, my name is Daniel, and in the previous tutorial we have learned how to add and subtract by two methods, which is hardcode and taking input from user. And now we are going to perform multiply and divide. So I'm going to open my I.D.E, Visual Studio, and new project. And I'm going to name my application as multiply and divide. Okay. So here we are. So first of all, we are going to multiply two values by using hardcode method. So what I'm going to do is taking three variables and setting values of two variables, which is a and b. So I'm going to say that a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 10, and save the value in variable c. And I'm going to use my formula, which is c is equals to a multiplied b. And I'm going to say that console dot write the answer is and variable c and console dot read key. Now I'm going to run my program. So first of all, I'm going to check it once again. So everything is clear. Let's start. So my answer is 50. Now I'm going to multiply three values. So what I'm going to do is first set value for variable c, which will be 20, and add another variable to save the value and change it from here as well. C will be d and a multiplied by b multiplied by c, and change it from here as well. A. Okay, now we are going to run the program. So my answer is 1000, which is correct. So now we are going to take input from user. I'm going to clear this all and write again, taking three variables, which is a comma b comma c, and I'm going to say for the first value enter first value and save the first value in variable a. For the second value, we are going to take variable b and b is equals to integer dot parse and console dot read line. And now I'm going to use my formula, which is c is equals to a multiplied b. I'm going to say that console dot write and for holding the result we are going to use console dot read key. Now I'm going to check my program. Enter first value, a is equals to integer dot parse console dot read line, console dot write, enter second value. So everything is correct. So let's run the program. So enter first value. I'm going to use 6 and 5. So my answer is 30, which is correct. Now I'm going to multiply three values. So what I'm going to do is add one more variable, which will be d, and I'm going to add here, and I'm going to say enter third value. Oh, I have missed bracket, and I'm going to save the third value in variable C. And I'm going to change it from here as well. It will be t is equals to a multiplied by b multiplied by c, and here as well it will be t. Now I'm going to run my program. So enter first value, which will be 7 and 3 and 12. My answer is 252, which is correct. So hope you understand how to multiply two or more than two values. Now we are going to divide two values. So for divide we take double instead of integer, because we know that our value will be in point. So I'm going to say that double a comma b comma c. So first of all I'm going to set their values, which will be a is equals to 15 and 3 for variable b, and I'm going to use my formula, which is c is equals to a multiplied by b. I'm going to save my answer and comma c semicolon console.read key. So now I'm going to run my program. My answer is 5, which is correct. Now I'm going to take input from user. So I'm going to clear this all, and I'm going to say that double a comma b comma c. I'm going to say console.write enter first value and save the first value in variable a. For second value we are going to use variable b. Console Now I'm going to use my formula, which is c equals to a multiplied by a divided by b. And console.write the answer is and console.read, and we are all done. So I'm going to check it once again. C is equals to a divided by b. Save the, so let's run the program. I'm going to use 4 and 7. So it's 6.2. The answer 6.2, which is correct. So I'm going to run it once again. I'm going to perform another division. So enter first value, which will be 21, and 7. So my answer is 3, which is correct. 3 7 is equals to 21. So guys, hope you like this video, and if you have any problem, kindly mention it in the comment box, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.